Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to reset your PlayStation 5 controller, and this is relatively easy. I have it turned on and it's currently connected, and I'm going to be using a toothpick just like this to reset it. So turn around your PlayStation 5 controller, and I do have a back button attachment on it from AIM controllers, which is excellent. I do recommend them, but there will be a small pinhole right here that we want to go ahead and press down. And I'm going to use this toothpick and I'm going to insert in the pinhole. Now you'll notice on the front of the controller, the light will turn off. So I'm pressing down, and it just turned off right now. Now what I'm going to do is press the PlayStation button and then turn it up. Now sometimes when you reset your controller, it may not connect back up to your PlayStation 5, and just the blue lights will be on. So if this happens, what you want to do is hold down the PlayStation button and completely turn off the controller. And after about 5 to 10 seconds, the controller will turn off, and then you can simply turn it back on and it should reconnect to your PlayStation 5. So it's turned off. I'm going to press the button and it should reconnect. So my controller is now connected, and I'm able to connect to a profile, and I can see it under accessories now. So I just went ahead and reset it in a matter of seconds. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.